bit.
Yes, I think so. Primarily between 3 o'clock and midnight. That's when I think most of the widespread thunderstorms are going to move through.
Okay.
But between noon and 3, that's when we could start to see those storms initiate to our west. And this will carry all modes of severe weather. So we're definitely keeping an eye on that. Few of the showers trying to get an early start in Cass County, but these really aren't affecting much, if anything. We do have showers and thunderstorms moving from south to north. They're not severe. They're well below severe limits, but out to our west, bit of a different story. We have these scattered showers and thunderstorms out near the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex and between Oklahoma City and Ardmore, Oklahoma, more specifically along the Red River and to the north. Now, as we look at satellite and radar, there's your front. We've got a storm system out to the west, both of these moving in the direction of East Texas as we move into tomorrow, and that is what will spark the potential at some strong to severe thunderstorms. So here's Futurecast for the remainder of the night. Not a lot going on through midnight tonight. Maybe a few clouds, maybe a few showers, kind of like the garden variety that we're seeing up in Cass County. That's what you can expect through 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. A few scattered showers and thunderstorms to the north of DFW through 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, but the severe weather threat for the remainder of tonight, it's relatively low. Slight risk for portions of Hopkins and Franklin County, maybe a marginal down towards Van Zant, but other than that, severe weather threat's very low. Back to Futurecast for Wednesday. Not a lot going on early tomorrow morning. In the middle part of the day, not a ton, but as we get towards noon and 3 o'clock, that's when we do start to see those scattered showers and thunderstorms moving in. After 3, some of these storms, they'll start to consolidate a little bit into a line. This is 7 o'clock, and then they will move through East Texas, and they will carry with them the threat of damaging winds, maybe a brief spin-up tornado or two. The tornado threat is not particularly high tomorrow, but it's still there like it often is in the springtime here in East Texas. The storms move out Thursday morning. Slight risk of severe weather, but as I have been saying most of the night, I would not be surprised if this was upgraded to an enhanced, especially out to the west. We will also see the threat of flash flooding to the north, 1 to 3 inches of rain expected over the next 7 days, not only with tomorrow's rain chances and storm chances, but what we will see on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday as well. And that's part of the reason why a flood watch has been issued for areas along Interstate 30 and along the Sulphur River through 7 o'clock Thursday. So folks, please be careful, be smart when you are out on the roadways. If there's storms going on, severe weather, flooding, what have you, just stay home. We are at a medium for all threats of severe weather tomorrow between 3 o'clock and midnight tomorrow night. Now, as we look at tonight's forecast, we will fall to 69, an isolated shower or two possible. Tomorrow we're back to 83 with some scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially later in the day. High temperatures will be in the 70s and 80s over each of the next 7 days, with some cooler nights expected as well. Some of those lows will be well into the lower 60s. And Deep East Texas, similar deal. Severe weather alert day for tomorrow, especially to the north of Lufkin, Nacogdoches, and Crockett. High temperatures will remain in the 80s. Isaac.